Hello and welcome back to the another video on UiPath RPA. So in this video, we are going to understand about UiPath RPA for each activities. So there are three kinds of for each activities in UiPath. One is for each row, which is used whenever you are working on some data table. For each, which is to iterate through all the objects in a collection, and the another one is parallel for each. So now today we will see what is the difference between for each and parallel for each, and then we will understand with a simple example also. And this for each and parallel for each is not the concept of UiPath only. It is available in C Sharp and in Java and other languages also. So before I go ahead, I would like to tell you that I have done two real-time UiPath RPA projects on this YouTube channel. So you can subscribe the channel and you can see the link of those projects in the description of this video. And these are the details about those projects. So you can pause the video and have a look. This is the schedule of the project one. All right. So you can note the schedule. So these videos are already done. You can understand from the dates. This project is also available on my YouTube channel. You can have a look on the content here. Pause the video. And here is the schedule. All right. So let's get back to today's agenda. So if we see conceptually what happened in for each loop, that you will go, you will have a collection of the items and you will perform the action for the first item, check that if next item is available, then go back, again go to next item, again perform the action, and then you do everything in a sequential way. All right. Here in parallel for each, what you do that you perform the action for all the item at one time. So it is not sequential, it is parallel. You have to perform the same action for all the items at the same time. Hope it is very clear from the diagram. Now let's go to the UiPath and understand with the example. So here I have created one workflow. So what I will do first of all, I will take a assign activity. If you want, you can take this in the flowchart also. And I will create a variable. The UiPath shortcut to create a variable is Control K, and then you can give the name, a collection. Okay. And then you have to change the type of this variable from string to, you will use array of string. Okay. And then let's assign few values. First, third. Okay. Now first what we will do is we will see in for each loop. Of your, I will take a log message activity of UiPath, and then let's print the item here. Plus what we will do, we will have the time also printed. So time you have to change the format. Now dot to string variable editor, and then we will have in milliseconds also. So let's keep it this way. FFF is the format. Hope you can see this entire formatting. One space will also good, or you can take underscore in between. Hope you can see the entire formation on your screen right now. So we have changed this into two string, and then we have created this time value so that we can understand that at which time which element was attempted. And then let's take one delay also here. All right. I will take 3 seconds of delay, and then let's see what is the time getting printed. I will run this file. You can debug also if you want to see the one by one steps. Yeah, so processing is completed. So you can see the timing here, 28, 31, and 34. So out of these, first element will be printed, then delay will come, second element, then delay will come, third element, then delay will come. Now what I will do is I will just blow to this. I will take one parallel for each. So this is UiPath parallel for each activity. What we can do directly here, we can change the type of this argument. Now what we will do, we will take both of these activities, copy from here, go back, just paste here, and give the collection a collection variable. And just to show the difference, what I will do, I will add one right line activity here. Okay, now I will run this. The execution is happening with the 2 second delay in the first step. It is completed now. Now let's see the timings. So you can again notice, like in the first part, which is the for each part, 14, 17, 20. 3 seconds of delay is there. But now if you see in parallel for each 23, 23, and 23. So microseconds difference is there, but everything is attempted together. So that 2 seconds of delay was there in both the sequences, but that delay part was executed on each iteration here, but the delay part was executed in the end after attempting all the elements. So you see, so that is why you see the difference of 3 seconds is not there. I hope I could explain it well. Now let's talk about the uses. Both can be used for collections, but it might differ in some situations. And you can use both the you can use for each when you have to go one by one. You can use parallel for each when you have to perform all actions together. So but the right selection will be based on the requirement. Please subscribe to the channel and share the link of my channel to your friends, which will definitely help me. Your likes will really motivate me to do further videos. And please give me the feedback in comments. Stay healthy, stay safe. Happy learnings. Thank you.